Hello friends, today we are going to learn warming up and chit chat of unit number 2.2, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, from standard 10th subject English. Let's go start. A lie can run round the world before truth has got its boots on. सत्याचे बूट पायात घालण्याआधीच खोटं जगभर पसरतं. The above quotation express how fast rumors spread. वरील उदाहरण दाखवतं की अफवा किती लवकर पसरतात. Example: One day, someone said on the news that a space station called Skylab would fall and crash on their town. People got very scared. Some stopped going to school. Some wore helmet all day. Later, scientists told the truth. Skylab was not falling on their town. It was falling in the ocean. It was just a rumor. Next question. Talk with your group about some recent rumor when people believed at first and suffered for it later. तुमच्या गटात अशा अलीकडील अफवेबद्दल चर्चा करा ज्यावर लोकांनी सुरुवातीला विश्वास ठेवला आणि नंतर त्रास झाला. Answer: During the corona time, people believed that drinking alcohol would kill the virus. Many did it and got problems. Later, doctors said it was false. Next question. Also discuss how one can decide whether some news is a fact or fake. एखादी बातमी खरी आहे की खोटी हे कसे ओळखावे यावरही चर्चा करा. Answer: We should check if the news is from a trusted source like a government's website or real newspaper. We can ask our teacher or parents. We should not believe everything we see on WhatsApp and social media. Next question. Who do you think are responsible for spreading false news? तुमच्या मते खोटी बातमी पसरवण्यासाठी कोण जबाबदार आहे? Answer: Fake news is often spread by people who are lazy or have nothing to do. Some people do it just for fun. Some spread false news to trouble others or take revenge. They do it to pass time or to create fear and confusion. Next question. Do you believe in all the news that you come across? तुम्ही समोर येणाऱ्या सर्व बातम्यावर विश्वास ठेवता का? Answer: No, I do not believe all the news. I check with elders, teachers or trusted news sites. I used common sense and finding reason. Next question. Give one example of a rumor which seemed to be fact in the beginning. Later it was proved false. अशा एखाद्या अफवेचे उदाहरण द्या जी सुरुवातीला खरी वाटली पण नंतर खोटी असल्याचे सिद्ध झाले. Answer: There was a rumor that eating garlic can cure corona. Many people started eating too much garlic every day. But later, doctors said garlic is good for health, but it cannot cure the virus. It was a false rumor. Next question. Read the following statements. खालील statements वाचा. Describe whether they are facts or rumors. ते facts आहेत का rumors आहेत यांचे वर्णन करा. Justify your decision. तुमच्या निर्णयाचे समर्थन करा. Statements: fact, rumor, explanation. First, cow gives birth to a calf. Fact. Explanation: it's a natural process. Second, in 2025, the sun will solen the earth. Rumor: there is no scientific proof. Third, you receive a message that you have won rupees 5 crores in a lottery. Rumors: such messages are fake and they are scams. Fourth, bees beat their wings 270 times in a second. Fact, scientifically proved. Fifth, many ships and aeroplanes have disappeared in Bermuda Triangle. Fact, proven fact म्हणजेच सिद्ध तथ्य. नेक्स्ट, ड्राइवलेस कार are no more a dream. Fact, driverless car developed and tested in many countries. Next, Sophia is world's first robot citizen. Fact, Sophia was officially given citizenship by Saudi Arabia. Next, ghosts dwell in banyan trees. भूते वटवृक्षात राहतात. Rumor, there is no scientific proof. Ninth, do not step out on a new moon day. Rumor, it's just a superstition not based on any real evidence. And last, aliens will conquer the earth. Rumor, there is no proof or just imagination. अशा पद्धतीने आज आपण द बॉय हू ब्रोक द बँक या पाठाचे वॉर्मिंग अप व चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटी अभ्यासल्या आहेत. आय होप हा व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.